Hey guys, so today I am showing you this like beach water inspired blue eyeshadow look. It's so pretty. It's like a halo eye look, and it's with all drugstore products. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. So I already did my left eye off camera, and like, how pretty is this look? It's so gorgeous. I love it. It's a little bit different than things I usually do, so I really like it. I'm gonna start off, as always, with my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. You guys know it. And my e.l.f. concealer brush. And I'm just gonna prime my eyelids with that. Oh, and if you haven't noticed, I matched my nails to this eye look. I mean, it's obviously not the same shade of blue. It's a different kind of blue color, but whatever. It's really cute. I love it. I just spent like an hour painting my nails for this video, but yeah, super cute nails. And then I'm going to use this palette. Like, I saw this online. This was, I think, last year or like months ago. I picked these products out for a ocean, like beach inspired, like water inspired eye look for like this kind of blue. And look at how gorgeous this palette is. It's so pretty, and it's raised like diamonds and shells on it. Obviously it's probably not real. This was drugstore price, but it's like so cute. This is the Revolution Pro Ultimate Eye Look Palette, and it says this one is in Ocean Treasure. The shadows in here are like next level pigmented, and this is drugstore. Like, absolutely crazy. I love it. But I'm gonna go in with this cream shade here. It has my perfect cream color. I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques shading brush with this, and this color is like so smooth. It almost feels like close to like wet when you touch it, and then it's just so smooth that it almost feels wet. And I'm just going to set my inner corner and brow bone like always to help with blending later on. Start off by using my Morphe JH33 brush, and I'm going to use this blue shade right here. It's the lightest blue in the palette. It's pretty dark, but with the cream shade it kind of blends out nicely. So I'm gonna pack this in my crease, and then we'll worry about blending it out in a second. Very pigmented, as you can see, like immediately right off the bat. I'm not even like swirling my brush in here or anything, and it's getting so much pigment off. So I am in love with this palette. I've been waiting for summer to use it, and I'm about to go to the beach soon in a little bit, and I've been like loving going swimming. So this is like so nice for me because I just love water. I don't know, I'm like a mermaid or something. I adore going swimming, and I've missed it so much. And I can't wait to go to the beach and have fun for my sister Sarah's birthday. You guys know her. Yeah, just blend that out. And then I'm going in with, I was like, oh god, please don't cut out on me. I'm going to use the Essence water palette, and like, how cute is this packaging? I absolutely love it. It's so adorable. And it says, like swimming waves. No, like just swinging waves. Apparently, that's kind of weird. I don't think that's an M, unless if it was a typo. But anyway, the packaging, like, look at that water. So cute. I'm gonna go in with this, this blue right here. It's like the lightest blue in the palette. These palettes don't really have very light blues, but I'm gonna go in with that on the same brush, and I'm just applying that on top of the blue we already put down. And blending it up. And I'm gonna go in with this deep dark color right here, deep blue shade, and I'm gonna take the Morphe JH40 brush, a little teeny tiny blender brush, and I'm going to use that in the deeper crease right here, just to give it a little bit more definition and deepen it up right there in the crease. I'm going to work on my lid, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer again and my e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just going to lay down a base for the lid shades. It's going to help with, like, make them super pigmented, and I'm going to also be like cutting my crease with this. And then I'm going to use my Morphe M421 brush and this light blue in the Essence palette. And I'm going to lay this in the outer corner of the lid. The inner corner of the lid, and I'm gonna leave the center blank. I'm going to take this Maybelline color tattoo. This one is in Chill Girl. It's literally a white shimmer shadow in the form of a cream. And I'm going to use the Morphe JH42 brush. Take a little bit of that. I'm going to lay this in the center right there where we left it bare, and create a halo kind of effect. I'm going to go back in with the Essence water palette and use the white shade right here. It's like white, it's kind of like duochrome. It kind of reflects off of, it's one of those shades that kind of reflects off of what it's near. So since it's near all the blues, it kind of has a little bit of a blue tinge to it. So I'm going to pack this right on that center shadow that we laid down, the Maybelline color tattoo. So now I'm going to move on to my face makeup. So I'm using my Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer, the Makeup Grip Primer, and I'm going to put this on my face, obviously. And just blend it out. And then this is nowhere near new, but it's new to me. I've never gotten this, well, I've never used this foundation before. So I'm going to try it out. It's the Covergirl Trublend Matte Made Foundation. This is like a comfort matte foundation. And I'm going to see how it is. It has a nice little pump, which I'm happy about. It's kind of like way too dark, but I got the lightest color. Oh, I don't know about this. Yeah, it's pretty light. I haven't used a Covergirl foundation since I was like a teenager. Like always, I'm using my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. I mean, it blended into my hand nice, but it looks a little dark at the moment. But I'm just going to bounce that in with my sponge. I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. This one is in the shade Pale. I got this as well. And this is not new, but it's new to me because I just got it. And I'm going to put this all over in the areas that I want to highlight. This is nice and light. Perfect for highlighting. Pretty good. It helped lighten up the skin a little bit from that foundation, which is helpful. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder as always. It's a good shade match and everything looks good, so I'm happy with that foundation. I think it's pretty nice. So now I'm going to do my cheeks. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Matte Monoi Butter Bronzer. Ugh, I love the smell of these. It smells so beachy, and it kind of smells like suntan lotion to me, like the suntan lotion my mom used to use. And then I found this e.l.f. contour palette. I'm going to take some of that. And for blush, I thought this really nice cool tone blush would be really nice. This is the Essence The Blush, and this one is in Believing. It's like a mauve-y kind of pink. It's really pretty. I'm going to put that on my cheeks, obviously. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter, and this one is in Pearl. It's a really cute, like, white. Use the Ducare highlighting brush. This is a cream to powder formula, which I love, and it's just so nice. It smells just like the bronzer. And I got this NYX Bear With Me spray, and Juicy Jazz recommended this, so I grabbed it. I think that I'm hoping it'll be nice and hydrating, because I bet my skin feels a little bit dry right now. Like, I'm going to finish up my eyes now. I'm going to go back in with the Makeup Revolution Ultimate Eye Look Palette. And I just am in love with this packaging. I'm going to use this dark blue right here, and it's so pretty. I wanted to find some way to incorporate it in this eye look, but I just like couldn't find a way to do it on the upper lash, on the like upper. So I'm going to use it on my lower lash line because it's such a beautiful color. I'm going to use just this little Morphe M521 brush and blend that out a little bit, so it's not like just a sharp line. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX eye pencil, and this one is in baby blue. I'm going to put this in my waterline. And I'm going to use my same highlighter that I used on my face and put that in the inner corner. Then I'm going to curl my lashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler and apply the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara. And on my lower lashes I used the Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara just because it's a nice tiny wand. And then I'm going to apply my Kiss So Wispy lashes. These are the Kiss number 11 lashes, and I'm going to use the Kiss Lash Glue Liner, and this is actually the black one. So I popped on my lashes, and I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen Lipstick, and I'm going to use, this one is the one Natalie, and it's a really pretty like cool toned nude lipstick. So I'm just going to apply that on my lips. And then I'm going to go over it with the NYX. This is Milky Gloss in Faux Mousse. It's just a light blue lip gloss. And that is the blue, like beach inspired makeup tutorial. It's so cute. I love it so much. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!